Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Here we meet again. How do you do, children? Hope you are doing fine. Happy fasting and Ramadan Kareem. Let's start our lesson now. Today we are going to learn about the Jawi vowel letters and their beginning sound. Children, here are the Jawi vowel letters and their beginning sound. Alif make the sound of A. Ya make the sound of E. And Waw make the sound of U. Can you get it, children? Please repeat again, ya children. Repeat after teacher. Alif make the sound of A. Ya make the sound of E. And Waw make the sound of U. Okay, very good, children. Okay, to make learning more fun, let's play with the activity that I have prepared here. What you need to do is to match the beginning sound to the correct picture. Like example, this is ayam. What is beginning sound of ayam? Yes, beginning sound of ayam is A. So, let's match them. A, ayam. Now, let's start our activity. This is api. What is beginning sound of api? Yes, beginning sound of api is A. So, let's match them. A, api. Itik. What is beginning sound of itik? Yes, beginning sound of itik is I. So, let's match them. I, itik. Ubi. What is beginning sound of ubi? Yes, beginning sound of ubi is U. So, let's match them. U, ubi. Ayam. What is beginning sound of ayam? Yes, beginning sound of ayam is A. So, let's match them. A, ayam. Ikan. What is beginning sound of ikan? Yes, beginning sound of ikan is I. So, let's match them. I, ikan. Ulat. What is beginning sound of ulat? Yes, beginning sound of ulat is U. So, let's match them. Ulat. Okay, done for today. Hope you will enjoy this activity. I think it's time to say goodbye. Bye. See you again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Assalamualaikum. Selamat menyambut Ramadan Al-Mubarak.